So are you following the Olympics? We all are. It is thrilling to watch the competition. But when it comes to the economics of the Olympics, what does all this attention and spending mean for London? In this morning's U.S. Bank Economic 360, U.S. Bank Senior Portfolio Manager Mike Denneman joins us talking about that. Good morning, Mike.
Morning, Brian.
Clearly, it costs a lot to put on the Olympics. How much?
Yeah, absolutely. With any large undertaking, the price tag's going to be hefty. And many are questioning, with a recession going on in Europe now, whether that price tag is worth it. So clearly there wasn't a recession 6 or 7 years ago when London was awarded the Games. And at that time, they were projecting a relatively modest £3 billion price tag. Unfortunately, that's swelled in the last several years to the point now where it's going to come in at approximately £11 billion, and much of that funded by the British taxpayer. So, any question, with that much expense, with the deep recession going on, really what's the economic benefit to spending all this money?
Yeah, that's a lot of bread, more than £11 billion. So you'd expect a great return on this investment? How's that looking?
Well, unfortunately, economists are saying that London really isn't going to receive that big a boost to its economy this year. One reason is that London is already a major tourist destination, so a lot of the people that are there right now probably would have traveled there anyway. And while certainly there are more people in London this summer because of the Games, it's not that many more to make a big impact on the economy. Another problem they're finding is that while these visitors are spending money, they're not spending that much more money. So, for instance, shopkeepers and restaurants around the Olympic Park are reporting record sales, where other shops and restaurants in other areas of London are reporting that their summer revenues are far below typical. So it doesn't seem to be that it's both, but one or the other, and really it's not any economic benefit just shifting sales from one area to the other. Unless you have that incremental increase, it really doesn't do much to help boost the economy.
All right, so the Olympic athletes, though, are focused on the gold, as in gold medal.
Yes.
Gold is trading at record high prices. How much is that Olympic gold medal worth?
Well, unfortunately, not as much as you might think. The medals being awarded in London are the heaviest Olympic medals that have ever been distributed, but only about 6 grams of that medal is actual gold. So that's worth roughly $400 or $500. A lot of the additional content is silver, so that has some value as well, but the total medal itself only about $700. So an accomplishment of a lifetime for the athletes, but the medal itself is not necessarily striking it rich.
All right, Mike Denneman, thank you. We appreciate you and U.S. Bank.
Absolutely.